In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your TradingView subscription on your mobile device. Whether you're looking to take a break from trading or simply want to manage your subscriptions more effectively, this guide will show you how to do it with ease. First, let's navigate to Google, since the cancellation will be managed through your Google account, especially if you subscribed using an Android device. So, you'll want to start by opening the Google app on your mobile phone. Or, if you prefer, you can do this on any mobile web browser by heading to the Google homepage. Once you're there, look for the account icon, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Once you've clicked on your account icon, a new screen will appear. Look for the option that says Manage your Google account. This will open up the settings menu where you have control over various aspects of your account. Here, you'll find the section called Payments and Subscriptions. Tap on this option to move forward with the cancellation process. Now that you're in the Payments and Subscriptions section, you will see a list of various options related to your financial activities with Google services. What you're looking for is the Subscriptions tab. Tap on this to reveal all the active subscriptions currently linked to your Google account. This includes any recurring payments you have set up, like your TradingView subscription. At this point, you should be able to see TradingView listed among your subscriptions. If your objective is to cancel it, this is where you can do so. By selecting the TradingView subscription, you'll access more detailed options about it. Often, there will be an option to cancel the subscription directly on the page. Go ahead and tap on Cancel to initiate the cancellation. Once you select Cancel, you might be prompted to confirm your decision. This is a standard procedure to ensure that you're sure about discontinuing the service. Go through any confirmation screens to finalize the cancellation. You might also receive a notification or an email confirming that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. So, that's all there is to it. Cancelling a subscription on mobile might seem daunting at first, but by following these simple steps, you can effectively manage your subscriptions in just a few moments. It's always a great idea to review your active subscriptions from time to time to make sure everything you're paying for is still something you actually use. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you out today. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.